Well, Sue, they probably thought we was never going to get this video out, huh?
I start to
Mayday!
wonder.
Mayday!
How fitting.
Exactly. Well, I guess I better get back in the picture here. They're going to think that I don't like you or something.
Well.
Oh,
That
okay.
could be. That could be.
You don't have to tell me. Okay, so what's the first thing that they're going to have to do
Well,
this thing?
guys, I'll tell you, it's starting to get to be a struggle here. But this should be something good for you to have to go out and search out and maybe make a few phone calls and get some people to help you. You have to get a picture of fire numbers for Greg, Debbie, Mike, Sue, Pat, Mark, Tina, and Doug. Yep, that's your siblings.
Fire
And
numbers.
yeah, Mom and Dad, that's your children.
You
Oh
know,
yeah, sorry.
you know
Fire
what we're going to
numbers.
hear? No, that's what you said. But you know what we're going to hear? We don't have a fire number. Well, everybody's got a fire number.
Everybody has a fire number.
You guys got to figure that one out. Okay, and that's worth 25 points for each one that they have a picture of. Now, how you get that picture, again, is up to you guys. This one here, you're going to have to use the old noggin, little imagination.
Good thing I'm not doing it. Not much up there to use.
Okay, so the 25 points for each one for a total of 200 points for that challenge. What's the next item they got to get to?
Well, I had to ask Greg about this one. You need to get a picture of a Mayflower.
And I think they grow all over the place alongside the road and
Greg
stuff.
thinks that
I'll give you a hint, they're white.
I was just going to say, Greg thinks they might be white. When he said Mayflower, I was thinking that you had to get a picture of the Mayflower ship. So he's got a little easier.
Hey, that would have been a good one, too. And that's worth 100 points. Now, this next one is going to be a challenge. I actually seen one the other day when I was mowing, but go ahead.
You do see them, a robin eggshell.
It's an empty shell.
Yeah.
You can't go up and rob it out of a robin's nest.
Don't take it from the poor mama. She would be sad.
That's right. And that one's, go ahead.
Oh, you go right ahead.
That's worth 100 points. And so then the next one, the 1, 2, 3, fourth item.
Yeah, this one here. The cows don't get a square meal out of this barn. You got to get a picture of a round barn.
Oh, that was good, Sue. Man, you said your brain was dead. Wow, you impressed me here. Woo!
Oh.
That was awesome.
Well, I figured I better come up with something, because I have been such little help.
Okay, and that one's worth 100
points.
Yeah. Now picture is a picture that you have to take. You can't find a picture on the internet or anything like that. When we talk picture.
Sorry, guys.
So.
Do a little searching.
Okay, the next item has a bonus included with it, and for 100 points, you need to go out and find a bird feather. That's worth 100 points. The bonus is 150 points, and what's that, Sue?
The blue feather.
Oh,
and you know what? Maybe if you find where Big Bird's going, you might find the blue feather.
There you go. That's pretty cool. And the last item is...
Because they painted him blue. Even though he's yellow, they painted him blue.
Big Bird?
Yeah, Big Bird.
When
he went on a trip.
Is that right?
Yeah. Somebody kidnapped him and they spray painted him blue. So that's why I say maybe you could follow Big Bird.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It kind of comes from having a child in the house.
I see. Okay. And the last item is, what is the one thing that every one of these videos that you guys have watched have in common? There's one thing that every video has in common. And so that's going to be the, you don't have to report that one until you come down. And so nobody's going to know if you got the right answer or not.
Do some searching.
And that's worth 100 points. You might have to go back and watch all these videos again, heaven forbid, but you might have to. So just to find that one thing that is in common. And so we do have one more video coming out in June before the big outing event. And so make sure you've got all your things put together so that we can verify them. And we are coming up with we've got a couple people that are really working hard and just can't shake each other from the lead and stuff, so we're coming up with a pretty big tiebreaker.
Might have to have a big tiebreaker.
And so we've got some ideas, but we can't let the cat out of the bag yet. So is there anything else you got? Oh, Whose birthday is it in May?
Mr. Michael.
Ooh, Mike.
He's
I wonder
getting
how-
older.
He's almost a double nickel.
He is.
Almost.
Almost a double
Wow,
nickel.
happy birthday, Mike.
Happy birthday, Mike.
And we'll talk to you all again next month, if not before.
Yep. Have a good month. Bye-bye.
Bye. Better stop this right here.